Hey guys, I am brand new to this whole YouTube stuff. I'm going to be recording mostly about cars, lawnmowers, chainsaws, blowers, and doing all kinds of cold starts on them. And yeah, let's get started. We have a 2001 chainsaw over there, almost antique, still running like a brand new one. I forgot to put it on the heater last night, so to keep the block warm. Well, not the block, but the head warm. So let's go get it. It's very old. Well, not very old, but as you can see, we're gonna go outside. But we have been cutting. Well, with the camera, you really can't see, but it's cold out here and I have no jacket. There's a 2001 chainsaw. As you see, it don't have no heater on it, and it's like very cold outside. We've been cutting the tree out over there. We cut that. There's a big tree about that big, and this thing can cut that. I mean, it has no problem. It's what, years old, but I'll get back to you in a minute and we'll go put on the heater. Okay guys, so it's been like 2 or 3, 4 hours now. It's been sitting on this heater, and well, it's really not a heater, but it throws out hot air and it should be warmed up the head. It's pretty warm now. I feel it. So I'm not gonna start it in here. I'm gonna try starting it without the choke first outside because it's already warm a little bit. Let's go ahead and take it outside and try to get it ready to start. Okay, I'm gonna set y'all guys up somewhere where y'all can see me. Let's see. Actually, we'll just we'll have to pump it. Like, we'll pump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we'll see if it starts. Let it run for a little bit so it gets warmed up. Guys, I'm really surprised that this thing even started because it really never starts in the winter. I mean, I did leave it on the heater for at least 2 or 3 hours, and I'm surprised that thing even started. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.